Hello everyone, welcome to yet another interesting knowledge session on the best business practices. If you're a student, you can get corporate ready by acquiring the right skill. If you're a manager or senior manager or MD and CEO of the company, you can move up the corporate ladder by solving the business problems. If you're a trainer or coach who are ambitious to become trainer or a coach, you can train or coach teams by bringing the cultural transformation. But ultimately, what is important? Any business wants growth, profit, and sustenance. It is possible only through customer satisfaction, who wants right product, quality, cost, and deliveries. It is our responsibility to bring in such systems in our organization and sustain them, for which we need to acquire knowledge, skills, and the right mindset. If you do that, you will become valuable. You have to become valuable first, and you can create value in others. This is a cyclic process. You become valuable, add value to people, you become more valuable. In this session, I'm going to talk about 10 thinking paradigms that damages the Kaizen culture. The 10 thinking paradigms that damages the Kaizen culture. This I call traditional thinking paradigms. Hi, my name is Dr. Murli. I'm the founder director of Value Enablers Academy. We are specialists in Lean Six Sigma Kaizen. I'm the alumnus of IIM Bangalore and BITS Pilani. I did my International Lean Six Sigma Master Black Belt from Indian Statistical Institute. For the first 15 years, I had the opportunity to serve companies like TVS, Saint-Gobain, Jetsons, and few other companies. In the last 1 decade, we have served different clients across several industries. Some of them are mentioned here. This is the wealth of knowledge that I'm going to bring you through my sessions. So don't forget to book your free coaching session. The link is available in the description below. You can also visit leanmurli.com. There I have a free ebook for you. So let's go. Let's talk about what traditional thinking is. How many of you heard about this? Thinking number 1. These improvements will not do any good. If you have heard about it, type heard in the comment box below. This is the second type of thinking. It sounds like a good thing, but still we don't want to do it. Sounds familiar? There are some people who say, boss, it looks good on paper, but it will not work in the real world. Okay, have you heard about this? Type heard in the comment box. Fourth type of thinking. Costs are already as low as they can possibly get. Fifth type. But we have already been doing that way. We know better than anyone else. If you can relate to what I'm saying, type ICR. I can relate in the comment box. Okay. This is the sixth one. We don't want people overlooking our shoulders and telling us what to do. And this is a great one. And this is the most common one. We can't lower cost anymore without lowering quality. Everything is going fine now. Why change? Sounds familiar? And this is a big one. Bad idea. That's a lousy idea. We have tried 20 years ago and we know it won't work. This is the ultimate one, the 10th one. Look, we understand this stuff better than anybody, so don't tell us what to do. Friends, it's very important. I hope you'll all agree with me. If you agree with me, type agree in the comment box, okay? Change your thoughts and you can change your world. Unless we change this thinking pattern, we cannot instill the Kaizen culture in the organization. So through these sessions, I'll be bringing in a lot of value to you, right from 5S to various building blocks of excellence till Hoshin Kanri. Through this, you will be able to bring stability to your organization, bring in small improvements, do small Kaizens, and also help your company in strategy. If you found this session interesting, valuable, if you are interested to learn, type valuable, interesting, lifelong learner in the comment box. I look forward to see you. Don't forget to visit leanmurli.com and grab your free ebook there. Also, in the description below, I have given the link to the free coaching session. Please join my free coaching session like and share this video, subscribe to this video, and I look forward to you in the next session. Together, we can create 1 million lean champions. Looking forward to see you in the next session. Thank you. Bye-bye.